Welcome to our tutorial about the whole callout. I've got two whole wizard features inserted in my model. Let's right-click. And as you see, it's a tapped hole. Under the Options section, we've got the cosmetic thread selected. And with the thread callout option unchecked, I'll cancel out of this. Here, with thread callout is checked. Let's cancel again. Now let's create a drawing document. B landscape is just fine. Click OK. On the View palette, let's check Import Annotations and check Design Annotations. Drag in the top view. Click OK. Click on the Annotation tab. As you see, we've got a whole callout, and here we don't. Let's go to Annotation, select Whole Callout. We can just drop it somewhere about here. As you see, I now have the whole information displayed in my callout. Okay, let's fix some dimensions as well. Okay, and this concludes our tutorial about whole callouts.